Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to get Discord token. So first, you just have to open your Discord on your browser specifically. You can only do this on your Discord browser. So once you're logged in, you have to go to this three dots at the top right corner, tap this one. Now you have to scroll down and then look for more tools. Click this one right here and then tap this developer tools. Once you tap this, then you will see this feature option on the right side. What you're going to do is to look for application. If you can see it right here, then tap this arrow and then click application. And then under application, you have to scroll down on the left part and then look for local storage. Tap this one or double click and then tap this discord.com. And then after that, you have to go to the search bar and then you have to type token and then press enter. And then here you will see all the tokens. However, if you can see it right here, then maybe you haven't clicked the icon beside the elements, which is this one. So if you tap this one or untap this, you will not see the token. But if you tap this, in case you can see the token, you just have to tap this one and you will see all the tokens right here. And if you want to copy, you just have to go to this part, select all, right click, and copy it wherever you wish. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to suggest any topic, just feel free to comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.